Klover and Possible Finance offer different types of financial help, so their limits are based on different products rather than the same type of access. By the end, you'll know how Klover and Possible Finance compare, what affects their available amounts, and which service may fit your specific need. The main difference is what you are receiving. Klover is built around cash advances and financial tools, while Possible Finance provides a loan product for eligible users. Klover's available amount depends on factors connected to the user's account and eligibility. That means one person may not see the same available amount as another person. If you use Klover, check the amount shown inside the app because that is the limit available to your account. Possible Finance works differently because it is a lending service. The amount a user can access depends on approval requirements, application information, and the terms offered during the loan process. If you are comparing which app has higher limits, the answer depends on your situation and the type of money you need. A cash advance limit and a loan amount are not always directly comparable because they are different financial products. Klover may be a better match for someone looking for short-term access through an advance feature and financial tools. Possible Finance may be a better match for someone looking for a loan option and who meets the lender's requirements. The approval process also works differently. Klover evaluates access to its available features, while Possible Finance reviews users for a lending product. Your available amount can change based on your eligibility and account details. Before choosing between them, look beyond the maximum amount shown in advertisements or comparisons. Review repayment requirements, fees, eligibility rules, and how the service fits into your budget. The right choice depends on why you need the money. If you need a financial tool with advance access, compare Klover's features. If you need a loan product, review Possible Finance's terms before applying. Always check the latest information inside each app, because financial products and eligibility requirements can change over time. To summarize, Klover and Possible Finance do not offer the same type of financial service. Their available amounts depend on different factors, and the better choice depends on your goal. Check your eligibility and compare the terms before deciding. If this comparison helped you, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons.